Hi, first grade artists. Today you will learn about and create self portraits. First, we will investigate self portraits. Then, you will create your own to show what you look like and express what you love. Let's investigate self portraits. So, what do you see in the picture? What do you think that artist is doing? You're right. She's painting a painting of herself. She's painting a self portrait. A self portrait is a painting that an artist creates of themselves. Let's look at two different self portraits and figure out what self portraits express. So here's the same painting. This is Frida Kahlo. She's the artist you saw in the last picture. What does this self portrait tell us about Frida Kahlo? I'm going to show you how to look and think like an artist. When I look at this painting, I first notice what she looks like. She's a woman. She has brown eyes. She has dark hair. She has thick eyebrows. Those details show me what she looks like. Then I start to notice the other details, the leaves, the animals, the insects. I think those details are trying to express that she loves nature and animals. So a self portrait is showing me what she looks like and something that is important to her. What makes her her? Let's look at another one. I want you to think like an artist. What does this self portrait tell us about Vincent van Gogh? I want you to notice and observe, what does he look like? Think about it. What do you see and what does he look like? What other details do you see that would express what Vincent van Gogh is interested in? You guys are right. I heard you say that he's a man, he has red hair, he has a beard. And I also heard you say that you saw a painting canvas, paintbrushes, and paint. So you think that's expressing that he loves to paint. You're exactly right. Now that we've investigated self portraits, you get to make your own. So I'm going to show you how to create a self portrait that shows who you are. What do you look like and what makes you you? So, first, we're going to start, and you're going to get to watch me show you how to create the drawing that looks like you. Each of you are going to get a mirror, a pencil, and a paper, and you're going to start by observing what you look like and by following my tricks. Hi, artists. For your self portrait, you're going to create a drawing that shows what you look like and also something that makes you you. So for mine, I draw myself, and then I also drew details that help show that I love art. So to do this, all of us are unique. So I gave you some different materials. You have a mirror to look into, and then you also have some drawings that are posted that can show you how your eyes, nose, and mouth and ears fit into your face, and also different shapes for the different features of your face. So you'll have those at your tables. You're going to get your pencil and your paper. When you have your pencil and your paper, you're going to look in the mirror, and you're first going to notice your face shape. So I'm going to look, and I'm going to draw the same shape that I see in the mirror. Everyone's head looks a little bit different, so your face isn't just a circle. Then I'm going to draw my shoulders and my neck. They're going to go off the page. I left some space behind me so that I can include my important details later. Now, just like I'm showing you with Frida Kahlo, your eyes are going to be in the middle of your face. So you can draw a line there if it helps you. Looking in the mirror, you're going to notice what eye shape you have. You're going to draw that. Our eyes are all kind of shaped like lemons or footballs, but they're all a little bit unique and different. We all have a pupil and an iris in the middle of our eyes. So I'm going to draw a circle for that. Then you can draw eyelashes by drawing lines come off of your eye. You might want to draw more or less. I can also draw my eyebrows if I want to. Some people like to draw eyebrows, and some don't think it's an important part of who they are. After I draw my eyes and my eyebrows, I can draw my nose. My nose is going to be about halfway between my eyes and my chin. I can draw a line for that. And then I'm going to draw the tip of my nose with a curved line. Some are wider, some are skinnier, some are more curved, some are more pointy. And then for my nostrils, I'm going to draw 2 little curved lines that look like C's. After that, I'm going to draw my mouth. My mouth is going to be halfway between my nose and my chin. So I'm going to draw a line to show where my mouth will be. I'm going to look at my top lip in the mirror. I'm going to notice what it looks like. Is it skinny? Is it kind of fat? Is it bigger or smaller than my bottom lip? Then I'm going to draw my bottom lip. You can draw the line in between. So I have my eyes, nose, and mouth. Now I'm going to draw my ears. Most people's ears, the top lines up with the middle of their eye and the bottom lines up with their nose. So that'll help to guide me. I am going quick, but you're probably going to be a little slower because you don't have as much practice as me. Then I'm going to draw the hair. Now, all of this blank space up here is because my hair is on my head. It's not just sitting on the top. So I'm going to look in the mirror, see what my hair looks like. My hair sweeps across my face like this. Comes up a little bit and it goes behind my shoulders. On this side, it does the same thing. So I'm going to make it go behind my shoulders. Then I can draw lines that show, is my hair straight or wavy, curly? Is it long? Is it short? You can draw lines in that shape to show what kind of hair you have because all of our hair is unique. Once I've drawn my face, I can go and I can start to draw my clothes. I'm going to draw the top of my shirt. And then now that I drew what I look like, I'm going to draw details that show something that makes me me. So I love art. So I'm going to draw an apron on my body because artists wear aprons. And that'll help to express that I love art. I'm going to draw some little paint splotches so people know I'm an artist who paints. Then in my background, I am going to draw some more details so that the viewer knows what I love. So I love to paint with watercolor. So I'm going to draw a big watercolor canvas sitting on an easel. Now, I love to draw flowers and plants. So on my canvas, I'm going to draw some plants. We're all unique. So yours might not be that you love art. Yours might be that you love sports or your favorite subject. Could be your favorite thing to do after school. Now, I'm going to draw a few more details to show that I love art. So I'm going to draw a pencil on the floor because I love to draw with pencils. I'm going to draw a ruler because artists use rulers. I'm going to draw a marker. Drawing lots of details that all show what I love, that I love to create art. And then up here, let's see, I'm going to draw a paintbrush. Ooh, because that'll really show that I specifically love to paint. Now, since I love watercolor, behind my paintbrush, I'm going to draw some watercolors. So it's long and skinny, like a rectangle. And then I'm going to draw my little ovals for where the watercolor paints go. Right? So your self-portrait is going to look different than mine because we're all unique and different. But you should show me what you look like, and you should also show me what makes you you, what you are interested in. Once you have your drawing, then we'll move on to the next stage. I can't. So artists, now it's your turn. You're going to go to your tables, you're going to use your mirrors, and you're going to draw what you look like. I'm going to walk around and I'm going to check to make sure that you understand, and I'm going to help you get started. If you feel ready to go, you can start looking in the mirror and drawing your face. If you need a little more help, you can stay on the carpet and I will help you get started. After you draw your face, you're going to add details to express what you love. I will also help you think through that. At the end of class, artists are going to share their work. They're going to partner up and they're going to guess what their partner is expressing about themselves and share why they think that. They're going to complete these self-portraits over multiple classes. In the next class, they're going to learn to develop their craft by adding Sharpie and watercolor to their self-portraits after watching a demonstration on outlining and watercolor technique. Throughout this lesson, first grade artists learn to draw from observation as well as how to use proportion to draw their faces. They'll also learn how to express their identity and interests as artists.